In this video, we're going to look at Bulletproof Security's security modes and security status. If you don't know what Bulletproof Security is, it's a security plugin for WordPress. It primarily functions by creating various htaccess rules in order to secure your website. So we'll get started now, and we're going to start off in the security status area. Now, if you'll look up the top, you'll notice some messages from Bulletproof Security saying there are some changes that we need to make in order to secure the website, and we can see more detail about that on the security status tab. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down, and if you want to have a quick read through this as I go, that's fine, but I'll also just quickly explain it. It's more or less saying that certain htaccess files that the plugin would suggest we have are not currently there, so they don't exist at the moment, and certain files are not actually protected by the htaccess file at the moment. Fortunately, it's very, very easy to fix. So what we can do is go into the security modes tab, and as you can see, there are some options here. We can create a default htaccess file. So I'm just going to go and do this for it to create the default htaccess master file for the website. So we'll just hit OK, and as you can see, it's been created successfully. So what we need to do now is actually go down a little bit into the activate security mode. So the first thing we'll turn on is root folder bulletproof mode. So we'll do that and then click activate. There are a few quick warnings here about backing up your existing htaccess file, and I certainly recommend you do that, especially if you're working on a live server. So we've protected the root folder of the website with this fix, so we can then continue to go through the various options we have. So what I want to do now is just turn on the bulletproof mode for the WP admin folder, because it's very important we protect that directory. And you'll notice that this is actually a great deal of what we want to achieve with the plugin already covered, because most of the error messages up the top of the page have now disappeared. What I want to do now is go down and activate master htaccess bulletproof mode, which will further strengthen the security of the website, which will deny access to the website. And as you can see, it now says the bulletproof security deny all folder protection has been activated, and the master htaccess folder is now protected with deny all htaccess folder protection. So that just basically means that nothing in particular can get into there, like no users, no bots, and so on. If we continue to go down, we can also choose to implement the same protection measures for the bulletproof security backup folder. So I'm going to do that now as well, just as the final measure that we can activate here. And that's done. So hopefully this is a brief overview of the initial security modes and security status screens in Bulletproof Security and how you can use them to secure your website. Of course, the process will be slightly different if you're using multi-site, be it a subdirectory or a subdomain, and that's what these two columns are over here in Bulletproof Security. So those will actually come up with this message above their respective columns if that's what your WordPress installation is. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask in the comments below. But of course, make sure you are choosing this or another plugin to help secure your WordPress website.